What's up YouTube, it's Stoney back this week to bring you guys a brand new video. I just wanted to come to you guys today to give you a quick update on how the rice water affected my hair. I told you guys last week when I did the rice water rinse that I was gonna come back this week and give you guys a 1 week update. And so today is a week and I'm coming to you to let you know what it's done to my hair. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and click that bell to get notified of every new video I post. 1 week is really not a good time to see the results of something like a rice water rinse. And I knew that. I just wanted to see if there was any type of change that happened within a week. So with that being said, did I really see a whole lot of changes in 1 week? No, I didn't. As far as growth goes, I didn't really see, my hair didn't really grow too much within the 1 week, time span. I believe when I measured my hair last week, I measured the back. It's about the same. It may be a little bit longer. Let's see. Yeah, that's about where it was last week. Yeah, so those two lengths, that's pretty much the same length that they were last week. Right there to my shoulder and right under my chin. I'm sure if I use rice water every week, I might see a change in my hair growth as the weeks goes on. I'm probably gonna have to go ahead and use it every week and then come back to you guys with an update. Now what I will say is within this week, I have seen a difference in my hair strength. It's definitely a lot softer than it was before. I haven't really used anything new to my hair, since the rice water or even before the rice water. I've been using the same products. I'm also going to be doing a video on that, on my curly hair routine and the products I'm using on my hair now. So my hair getting softer, I will attribute that to the rice water rinse because that was really the only, and then I used a new deep conditioner last week with the rice water rinse. So those are really the only two new things. So I don't know if it's either the rice water rinse or the deep conditioner that made my hair softer. But anyways, my hair is softer since using the rice water rinse. Also, I'm experiencing less breakage. I'm sure I've told you guys in previous videos, I experience a lot of breakage. I experience a lot of dead hair. And that's mainly due to me using an S-curl. For those of you who are new to my channel, I use an S-curl in my hair, and a direct result of that is hair damage and dead hair. I have not been seeing as much breakage in my hair. I have not been seeing as much dead hair when I shampoo and when I condition my hair. So to wrap it up, in the 1 week that I have used the rice water, I've experienced stronger hair, meaning less breakage, less dead hair, and my hair is also a little softer. Hair growth, I have not really experienced much of the hair growth aspect of it yet, but the rice water definitely added vitamins to my hair to help it to grow, which is a good thing. So we'll see. So what I'll do is I'll be using rice water once a week to rinse out my hair. I haven't really picked a day yet, but I'll be using it once a week so that way I can thoroughly use it and be able to come back to you guys just to give you guys updates, to let you know like how it's doing, how my hair is doing, and what type of growth I'm experiencing. That's my take on it after a week. Make sure you guys go watch part 1 of the rice water rinse to see me applying it and to see how I did it and what I used. And make sure you guys go watch my other videos if you guys want any hair growth tips, any hair maintenance tips, or if you guys want any hair tutorials, go ahead and watch my other videos on my channel. And so yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Let me know if you guys are gonna use it. Let me know in the comments below. Or if you guys have any questions, go ahead and put your questions in the comments below. I will be answering all of your questions. I'll see you guys in my next video.